Okay, hi.
So tell me, how was your experience at Times Glamour 2017?
Well, it was fantastic. As I said earlier, I felt like a little girl in a candy store. Being surrounded by jewelry is actually every girl's dream. And I literally felt like I'm walking into one. The pieces were beautiful, they were unique. In fact, there's so much stuff that I might want to wear. And all the best. I hope everybody has a great exhibition and a very successful one.
Also, how do you define luxury?
Well, luxury for me is something that goes with my personality. It, of course, is a lot of comfort, but at the same time, when you wear it, it makes you feel special.
Okay. Any bridal suggestions for this year? To the
Bridal
bride?
suggestions. I've really not thought about this, but I think a classic Indian bride is the most beautiful. So, any of you women getting married, go classic, go Indian, go pretty.
Go all out.
Go all out. I would go all out the day I get married. I would probably have all the jewelry on the day.
Bhumi, any particular piece which was highlighted?
So there've been so many. It's very difficult for me to choose one, but I must say, if anybody seeing me right now live, I don't know if that's a setup. You guys must come visit this exhibition. You all are going to be in for a very happy few hours of shopping.
And you personally do the shopping jewelry, like how do you prefer, like going to the, or you have a designer, like really, how do you
I
go
mean,
about
I think
shopping?
with actors it becomes a little easier because you have your stylists and you have people sort of doing a lot for you. But I mean, I've grown up, seen my mother, be it any festival, Diwali or birthday, the first stop would be a jewelry store. So I think exhibition, yeah, and I think there can't be a better venue than an exhibition like this where you have everything under one roof. So again, out there, all the brides, all the people that are looking at buying exquisite, beautiful pieces, you must visit this exhibition.
The audience are very excited with the movie, in fact. The songs are really doing very well. How much are you excited? Like, and Akshay Kumar is
I
the favorite vet actually on the box office.
Okay, well, I'm extremely excited, but I'm also nervous. It's happy, nervous energy. It's my second film, and it's a very important film for me. It's a very important character for me. So, fingers crossed.
Since your movie inspired also Swachh Bharat Abhiyan initiative Honorable Prime Minister PM Modi. So if in future if you get any chance to meet Prime Minister, so what would you say?
What would I say to him? I don't know. Not something that I can definitely think of right now. I think I'll have a lot to say to him.
Right now, jewelry is all in your mind.
Yeah, all I can think of Julia probably. In my head, I have a lot. I don't know if they'll actually happen.
Okay, I have a question.
Can you please tell your one
I have a question.
dialogue of your movie Toilet?
Oh, no, I'm not going to give you a dialogue from Toilet because I want everybody to see it. I'll give you, no, I'm going to give you a dialogue from Dab Laga Ke Aisha. Not from Toilet, all of you will have to see it. So from Dab, this is my favorite dialogue in Dab Laga Ke Aisha, ki Aadhe mein na thaku main, and she winks at her husband, which I felt was so revolutionary for Indian cinema. So yeah. Yeah?
Okay, I have a question for Baldeep. Why choose Bhumi for day 2 of Glamour?
I don't know, I mean, you know, when I saw in Dum Laga Ke, I really didn't understand the whole thing, but when I saw her pictures like 15 days back when we were going through whom we should be having at our show, I couldn't take my eyes off her, honestly. And when I see her now in person, I think we made a fabulous decision. It was worth it.
How lovely is she?
Sweet. And I mean, see, you have a lot of actors, everyone's reached somewhere in life, but you know, if you're still grounded, that's the way it is. That's called success and handling success, and that's what I felt from her when I met her. I felt really comfortable, and that's what I want to feel when I'm taking someone around in my exhibition.
Bhumi,
Yes.
there's a social networking site बहुत
हाँ जी.
capital training में चालू है. So like काफी डायरेक्टर एंड इनको ट्रोल किया जाता है एक्ट्रेस को बॉडी शेमिंग का हो जाता है, तो उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा क्या बताएं?
जी मैं ये कहा मतलब जितने भी ट्रोल्स हैं जो भी होता है आई फील सोशल मीडिया इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लेटफॉर्म टू give out a message, to put an opinion. I definitely feel that we should use it for the betterment of the society and for the betterment of humankind instead of wasting hours sending people hate messages. I honestly block all trolls, and I think everybody should too. Get a life.
Bhumi, can we get a small shout out to all your fans out there to come down visit Times Glamour?
Yes, of course, everybody out there. This has been a great time. If you're looking for to buying some exquisite, beautiful pieces, please come here, shop your heart out. You're definitely not going to be disappointed.
And one message for toilet प्रेम कथा के लिए
भाइयों और बहनों, मेरी फिल्म टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा 11 अगस्त को रिलीज़ होने वाली है। ये एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत लव स्टोरी है। मैं आपको प्रॉमिस करती हूँ फिल्म देखने के बाद आपके चेहरे पे एक बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट होगी। प्लीज़ शो अस सम लव ऑन द 11th of August.
And ask your fans to
I can't tell you.
Times Glamour tomorrow.
And please,
Today and tomorrow.
everybody out there, please come to this beautiful exhibition, the Times Glamour, today and tomorrow. You're going to find some beautiful pieces of jewelry. They are unique, they're exquisite, there's something for everyone. Pour your heart out, come shop.
How's the total response in fact of the exhibition? But there are other things going online also actually.
Yeah,
So how
we
do
have
you
a
see the
very good
business?
response because weddings are not going to stop.
Yes.
You know, occasions are going to be coming in, celebrations and a lot of festivals are going to go on, whether the market, wherever it may be. So people are going, are all prepared for glamour every year. We've got a lot of outstation visitors this time. Because I think around 70 to 80 people out of Bombay who have who blocked their dates for glamour, just the visitors. So
Wow.
I can definitely I know glamour is doing very well this year. Thank
That's really commendable. I think they need a round of applause.
Yeah, done.
Yeah, thank you.